What we're looking at now is using the adjustable restraint lanyard off a suitable anchorage point, but connected onto the rear of the harness. See there? What we've done is we've extended it with a short extension sling, and that allows me to control it without trying to work in some weird body position. It works in exactly the same way as we've already discussed. It should be there to prevent us from getting to the edge. It shouldn't be under load. What we also need to consider are things like when we're reaching it and moving around with it, we're not holding slack in the system, because that way, should we stumble and fall, we could find ourselves over the edge. And the whole idea of restraint is we can't get into a fall position. We also need to just be aware of our surroundings. Have we got a single edge like we have here, or are we working on a corner where there's a fall potential to both sides? So we might need to secure an anchor point that won't slide along part of the structure, and it won't allow us to get to that danger area. What we'll look at in another video is how we can operate on a corner where we've got exposed points on both sides. So key thing with the work restraint lanyard in this position is I'm going to look where I'm going, I'm going to hold onto the tail rope, I'm going to adjust it to a position where I can work. I've kept the system under tension just then, so I've no slack built in by my arm, and then I'll get down to check these bolts in this case. As I move back in, I can take some slack in, so I'm always moving myself back from the edge and keeping myself in a restrained position. It also stops you from getting tangled up in any spare line as we're moving through, and we can change that position. Should I slip, stumble and fall, the idea is that the device gets pulled out of my hand and I can't go into a falling position. What we need to do, like with all work heights, we need to do a risk assessment to decide, is the front the most appropriate, is the rear the most appropriate, and that'll be dictated by the job you're doing and the anchor points available.